The evidence that things have started to turn, that we are on the right track, are there for all to see. Real GDP growth is on the right trajectory, but at 3.4%, even 3.8% is not enough. That is not the aim, that's not the objective, and that's not the target of Mr. President. It is instead to achieve in the nearest future a GDP growth rate on a sustainable basis of somewhere near 7% per annum. And why that figure? That would be more than double population growth. And therefore, that speaks to the fact that you can now move Nigerians out of poverty in their millions by having that level of growth. Importantly, particularly as regards the poorest and the most vulnerable in society, inflation must be tackled. Inflation must be defeated, and you can see that we are on the right trajectory. The recent figures that came out of Nigerian Bureau of Statistics had inflation at about 22.97%. It's coming down. It's month after month. It's going in the right direction. A delegation from Brazil is coming to talk about a multi-billion-dollar investment in the livestock industry. So it is becoming a narrative that Nigeria is a place to head for investment. Agriculture, oil and gas, infrastructure, rail, ports, toll roads. And that's the way that you get the momentum in an economy that takes you away from low-level growth to the kind of rapid, sustainable, and inclusive growth